Hey guys, so I'm doing it a little bit late this month. I'm like a 4 days late, and I'm sorry about that. But today we're going to be doing our goal review and then our goals for April. I have been sick, which is why it's taken me a little while to put this out. So yeah, and I've just been so busy, and I am going to talk about it a little bit more in this video, but I think going into April I'm kind of going to change things up. I feel like in all the other months I've been biting off way more than I can chew, and it's not really getting us anywhere because, I'm not reaching any of these goals. So I think that I've really kept it simple this month. But anyway, so first things first, let's start with last month. I wanted to lose a certain amount of weight. I just said how much it was. I wasn't meant to say, and I did not do that. I didn't reach my savings amount. I didn't post every day. I didn't use half of the stuff in my drawer. Didn't use half of the stuff in the studio. I did get a dress off my room. I did get a massage. I didn't do my self-care or my exercise every day. So I feel like we really flopped in March, and that's okay. But I've noticed now that that's 3 months that we haven't achieved all of our goals, so something obviously isn't working. I think that trying to bite off more than I can chew just isn't getting me anywhere, because I'm trying to spread myself out to do all these different things, and then I'm spreading myself too thin and not getting anything done. So I'm really wanting to change that up this month, and we're gonna, have a couple of solid goals and focus on them and go from there. So my first goal for April is to do my makeup series, which I'm doing on TikTok at the moment. 4 days in at this point, and we're going strong. That doesn't mean that I'm going to keep it up, but I feel like that's why I've made this one. I really want to get this done this month. So that is one of my only goals for this month. So because I really, really, really want to get it done, and I know that if I make another goal to post on YouTube every day, it's just not going to happen. It's just not. I also want to be on a no-buy this month, which I am really, really serious about as well, because last month I went a little bit overboard with the spending. I really did. And it's great. I love having new things, but also I don't really need new things, let's be honest. And also, it's not helping me out in my goal of saving or anything like that. So we're going on a no-buy this month. There is one exception. In April, the Lush and Shrek collection is coming out. And no, I do not need it, but it is something that I feel obviously I don't know what's in the actual collection yet. So I haven't it's not set in stone that I'm going to buy it. But if I do buy something, that'll be my only exception for the month. Because, yeah, I love Shrek. But yeah, I'm going into April knowing that that's my only exception for the month. If I want anything else, then it's going to have to wait until May. And then my last goal is to have another savings goal, which I really need to reach this month. So those are literally my goals for April. I haven't tried to do heaps different ones, because those are the 3 main things that I just really want to focus on this month, and I think we can do it. I want to come back in March. No, sorry. No, I don't. I want to come back in May and say, hey, we reached all of our goals this month. Because then I feel I don't know. I just feel like I'm spreading myself way too thin at the moment, and it's just not working. So yeah. Obviously I'm going to try and do the other stuff, use up certain products, and all that kind of stuff, but it's just not going to be a main priority for me this month. Maybe it'll be a main priority next month, but at the moment it's not. So yeah, it's my goals look very different this month to what it looks like the rest of the year, but I really, really want to achieve these. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's quite short, and I know I didn't say much. Like I said, I've been sick, so I'm just still recovering a little bit. And I just feel like my whole entire life needs an overhaul. I just need to stop spreading myself so thin and actually be having time to cook tea and, to take proper care of myself and the house and things like that. So I'm just going to stop expecting so much and having all of these goals, in such a little amount of time, and have, a couple main goals to focus on. But yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm looking forward to a very nice April. That's another thing in April as well. I have so many birthdays and events and stuff like that. Like, it's both of my parents' birthdays. It's their wedding anniversary. It is Cade's mum's birthday. I think that might be all in April. I'm also getting a tattoo this month. So I just have a lot going on this month. And I just know that if I, try and write too many goals, it's just not going to happen. So, short and sweet. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!